You're ready to be the best thing that happened to him. Some people will say, I'm claiming this. Before you do that, what does claiming actually mean? I just looked it up. An assertion of truth that is in dispute or doubt. Babe, we don't attract what we want. We attract what we are. Claiming something implies force, implies battle, implies that it is not already yours and it is filled with doubt. It implies that somebody or something is trying to take it away from you. No one is trying to take it away from you, but you. However we are feeling, we are manifesting more of the same. We are manifesting all the time. To manifest what you want, you need to learn to work with yourself, not against yourself. You've got to start from the premise that it is already yours. This loving, deep, healthy, soulmate connection that you so want is already yours. You saw the end of the movie. You know how this movie ends, and you begin from this premise. Your work is to hold space for the manifestation. And that is where it gets tricky. Holding space for your manifestation means you know in every fiber of your being that you're the best thing that ever happened to him. You're the prize. He adores you because you're adorable. He can't stop thinking about you because you're amazing. He's obsessed with you because you're obsessible over. Only has eyes for you. He loves to introduce you to his friends and his family with pride. You are the prize. As long as you are not feeling like the prize, like the gift in every fiber of your being, you won't be able to manifest him treating you like the prize. I'm hosting a live training to walk you through it step by step, what I teach clients privately. Only 20 spots available. I want to make sure I answer all your questions.